Get excited about the 2018 Toyota Sienna. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a power seat, a trip computer, a power liftgate, blind spot sensor, rear wipers, and much more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 8. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate, no matter how far the drive. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.